Yeah, this is a brief discussion about what is RPA. Here we have in our day-to-day activities, we as humans who work with computers and smartphones, we use a variety of applications. Can be anything like spreadsheets, presentations, files, folders, PDF documents. It can be even calendars. It takes a lot of time instead of working on some of these boring tasks which are like very repetitive process, right? We can use this RPA software. We use the software bots to automate manual processes. Once we offload this kind of monotonous work on bots, which can work 24/7, that's where we are going to have enough time to involve in logical and critical thinking. Here important and we can spend some time in customer centric roles. Yes, here we'll discuss about what is front office automation and back office automation. So we'll consider the front office automation. So we have use case. Let's consider an example of a customer support case. A customer calls a service center asking about insurance claim status. For which, the representative has to look up multiple systems to check the status and update the customer. Typically, this front-end office automation is called, also known as attended automation, right? It actually empowers a customer service agent to get help from unattended RPA bot during a live customer call. On the other side, we have back office use case. Example, let's take an example of Salesforce reporting and extraction delivery. It can be daily basis or weekly basis as needed. These back office automation are typically known as unattended automation, which runs totally on virtual machines, do not have anything to do with the user mission. So what can you automate with RPA? Take a scenario about a loan application processing. Here the team has to going to receive a lot of loan application forms from different third-party vendors and also an online sign-up forms which are then shared through emails, either in Excel or CSV or even with PDF documents. And these documents which are coming through an email can be read by a bot, and it can pass through emails and send the attachment to the local system, and then bot can extract unstructured data using IQ bot, which is an intelligent document processing platform. It can extract data from different complex documents from wide variety of requirements based on their eligibility. It can be classified into different categories. That's where bots can move files and folders in appropriate locations. Then data can enter into a web application. It can be like any internal application. Mainly we are looking at something which does not provide an API. That's where the data can be easily transferred from local Excel file for the PDF files through the form fillings from the online, or even it can be web or local applications. That means any system installations which are working in Windows, the bots can read through. Bots can read through. Similarly, let's take a couple of more examples. Second one is the product feedback. Team has to perform sentiment analysis feedback received through various channels. The bots can classify these responses based upon whatever criteria we have defined, and then we have to take action on certain criteria. That's where it have required to do all the computations, and then it required to even posting to social media networks. RPA bots can work on any kind of Excel operations. It can work on terminal operations. Terminal is mainframe operations, and also it support Java, Python, .NET and JavaScript. The simple use cases is bot extract data from a website, saves a file to local system, and then sends a mail to a defined email ID. In this case, look at a web application which client doesn't provide you any kind of API, so we have to work on front-end API we'll consider purchase order tracking website. In this, the PO and all are added continuous basis, and then these have to be monitored and the reports have to send to the admins for appropriate actions to be taken on the vendors. Let's see a simple live demo. Example, we have a website which has all purchase table pages as well. The simplicity of the file is we'll try to extract all the data from the site loaded to a local CSV file and put it on your desktop, and then it can also send out an email with that attachment. Let's see how it looks like. Let me log into the platform. It's going to launch a website. It's going to capture a table. It's going to write to a file. And finally, email it to a specific email ID. Yeah, thank you.